Sa halagang 6,000 for Philippine member, kapalit nito ang maraming benefits kapag ikaw ay naging IMG member. Hindi lang ito simpleng membership, it's a complete package. Financial education, protection, healthcare, investment access, savings, discount, and rewards. Hi everyone, this is Coach Lawrence Gomez at more than 10 years na kaming member ng IMG kasama ang aking wife na si Coach Hazel. Ano ba ang mga benefits sa IMG kapag nag-member ka? Number 1, become a saver and investor instantly. Pag nag-member ka, may instant 1,000 PDF savings ka. Agad at pwede mo itong i-convert into Soldivo Mutual Fund through Rumber Financial. At tuturuan ka pa namin kung paano dumami ang ipon mo kahit 20, 50 or 100 lang ang tinatabi mo araw-araw. Imagine kung gagawin mo yan for 5, 10 or 20 years. May malaking ipon ka pagdating ng retirement mo. Ano pa ang ibang benefits kapag naging member? Meron kang free personal accident insurance na may coverage na 100,000 to 300,000 because accident can happen anytime, anywhere. Meron ka ding memorial assistance kapag IMG member ka. Magkakaroon ka ng 50,000 memorial service from Fidelity Life plus 24/7 memorial concert services from Everest Memorial for IMG members 18 to 60 years old. Meron ding healthcare benefits tulad ng free unlimited consultation sa lahat ng Kaiser Medical Center branches, plus discounted medical and laboratory services. Kasama na dyan ang immediate family members. Another benefits, vision care, legal assistance, and IMG financial book. May free vision care like 2 pairs of eyeglasses frames per year, free legal consultation 45 minutes, 2 sessions per year. At bibigyan ka rin namin itong IMG book, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Non-life insurance discount benefits, isa sa mga benefits kapag IMG member. May discount ka rin sa non-life insurance, mas affordable ang travel insurance, car insurance, at property insurance dahil may discount. Real estate savings, may member savings ka rin kapag bibili ka sa mga malalaking real estate company. At IMG Auto Program. At kung bibili ka ng brand new car, cashman or installment, may exclusive discount kapag IMG member. Meron din IMG Rewards if you choose to do the IMG business. Pwede kang magka-earn ng incentives like free travel, pins, recognition, watches, and free HMO or healthcare for MDs and up. Worldwide protection benefits kung ikaw ay OFW na gustong mag-member sa IMG. May exclusive additional benefits para sa'yo tulad ng 500,000 accidental death benefits, 100,000 burial benefits, 100,000 medical reimbursement, 600,000 acts of terrorism, 600,000 unprovoked murder and assault, accidental disablement benefits, and repatriation services. So imagine, 6,000 pesos lang for Philippine member ay marami ka ng benefits na ma-access sa pagiging IMG member. 2015 pa kami member ng IMG, kaya more than 10 years na kami dito sa IMG. At masasabi ko talaga na sulit ang aming pagiging member. Kasama na dito yung access sa mga financial education, learnings, and yung access sa mga investment platform na pwede makatulong sa amin na ma-build yung aming financial foundation. Kaya kung gusto mong malaman kung paano maging member ng IMG, mag-comment ka lang sa video na to or pwede mo kong i-message sa aking Facebook para mag-guide kita kung paano ka makapagsimula.